versus Claw.
Alright, we are back at Walmart. Just doing another episode. We're here with Levi. Say hello, Levi.
Hello.
And he's gonna be playing the jewelry crane. The reason we play the jewelry crane so much is that, well, Levi does anyways, that he likes to, like, the watches are worth it. He doesn't think the stuffed animals are, like, worth it, so that's why he plays it so much.
Booyah!
Alright.
Sorry if the camera fuzzes up, though.
Yeah, because it is broken, so.
Yeah. Shout out to Tyler Lang. No. Shout out to Tyler Lang. Thanks for breaking the camera, dude.
Yeah. $3, $4, $5 right here. $1, okay.
And I just got cheated out of $1 by the person.
The person, he went to go get change, and he got cheated out $1, and he didn't find out.
Until after I walked away, so it looks like it's stuck in my pocket or something.
No, go for that loop to watch, maybe, right there. Whatever tickles your peach. Oh, 2 in 1, 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Oh my gosh, first try. Oh,
wow.
So close. Oh, I'm so close. If you got 2 in 1, dude, I scream. First try. I'd be like, holy crap, oh my god.
So far away from the food anyway.
Oh, you might have got one of these, watch. Oh no. If you get it right in the loop, you could get it.
Let's stop. Should I go for the glasses?
I don't even... Do you want glasses?
I'll give them to Lindsay.
Alright. I don't know if they're in a very good position.
Alright, move. I gotta use my angles.
I'll just going for those sunglasses. There's our claw. There's the sunglasses.
Wait, you forgot about me. Can I use the claw to get the sunglasses?
Oh, no,
Maybe I get the
you
chain.
can't. Oh, no. Sorry, I did bad for
I'm
me.
supposed to go Levi prize, Levi claw prize. And Levi use the claw to get the prize.
Okay, whatever. Ah, you missed it. Yeah, you missed it.
Oh, bummer. Alright, I'm not gonna get sunglasses.
Alright, I'm gonna try. I can't get this stupid $1 in. Okay. Those earring type thing. I got the same ones in at Dave & Buster's before. Oh. Use my angles. Definitely use your ankles when it comes to Sugar Loaf machines. Because, they're always... They suck! Can't even see them very well. I'm going for those same ones I got. Oh.
That's got him.
Oh, I got the wrong prize. Oh!
Sucker. That one's still pretty cool.
Hey, let me use my angles, please. Alright.
You must. I really want that green wristband.
Oh, missed it. Oh. This way? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. See, you might get it perfectly. Oh, yes. Stay. Yes. Yeah, nice. Yes, see?
That's the one I wanted too.
Nice job. That's a nice one.
Nice-ish one.
All right. I'm gonna put $1 in the quarter machine now.
Made in China.
There's actually a lot gettable at the quarter machine, guys. Putting the $1 in the wrong way. Go for Nobi balls, because they're usually light, and Sugar Loaf machines are usually like so weak. Remember, these machines are as weak as Sugar Loaf, so. Oh, perfect spin.
It didn't spin, dude.
Oh yeah. Oh, it needs to be clamping on it. Okay. Whoa. Too weak. Wait, Levi.
I'm not gonna play yet.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously, what?
Crap. Let's go for last try. Let's go for the penguin. I think that's right. I think I missed it. To go. Oh, maybe not. Yes, got the penguin. Yeah, got him like in the chin. Nice. It's light too, so I think it has beans in it. All right, last try. Let's go for the ball. Actually, I don't know. Could be surrounding it too much. Gotta be perfect right on it. I think that's really good right there. Oh, perfect. Oh. Oh. Guys, we are going to win this M&M whether this machine likes it or not. And I'm gonna guess that it's not because it friggin' just hates the crap out of me. But you know what? Oh, it got in the arm. That's a for sure grab right there. Yes, that ain't going out. That ain't going out, son. I just owned you, bro. You just got owned, baby. Perfect grab. Red thing in the back, or that penguin. Careful it doesn't hit the, even if it hits the parachute. Oh, it got around him. Oh, you're close. Right, you need to go back. Or you can just, oh, so close. Oh, wait, hey Levi, can I play?
No.
Okay.
You already got your chance.
Okay, I just... Wait, do you get 3 tries? Did you just put in 3/4?
No, I put in 2.
Oh, it sounded like you got 3. I go right. No, right. Remember, Levi gets like under pressured. He gets confused. Oh, nice. Nice.
Got a ducky.
Told you had to go right.
I ended up going left. Smart one.
You turn the other way. Ducky, nice.
Ooh, that one right there.
Nice win. Pink one?
Yeah.
Try to get it by the body, because it's like a giraffe. I don't know what the heck these are. No. Alright, let's see see how far back it goes. Hey Levi, is this even close? No, it's not. I better go for the other one.
What are you going for?
This alien one.
You're right above it.
Here, get out.
That way. Look that way.
Crap, 5 seconds.
Move it back.
Maybe not. Perfect. I think yes, got it. Will it drop? Oh, yes. Yes. It's like so heavy, I don't want to freaking break the, There we go. Nice, got like a little alien ball.
I'm gonna go for a tiger one. I put a try in there, that's mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for that tiger one.
Okay. Oh no, it won't go back far enough. Go for the one in the middle. Go for the one in the middle. Yeah, it's not surrounded by, oh, go back, no, the other way, this way. This way. Yeah. Right there, you got it. You got it. Oh, you got it. Oh. Doesn't even close all the way. That's stupid. Just go for something.
What should you go for?
No, it's a bunch of crap. Go for like dinosaurs.
Should I go for the Junior Neutron thing?
Go for the bowling pin. Or the bowling ball. Wait, go left. Try to get like a 2-in-1. Yeah.
And I won't get it, but it's worth a try.
Oh, there's already one inside. Haha, look at that.
Yeah, but it's stuck.
I know. Try to put another, just shake the machine. Oh, there's a Nobi ball in it. 1 second.
Wait, no.
Oh. Hey, I saw it. I get to do it. Bank. Can I have it if you get it?
Maybe.
Oh. It's like stuck. I don't think it's coming out. Oh! Oh, nice. What's in that other one? What else is gettable here? Let's go for this thing, like by the head. I think I could get it by the head. It has a fat neck, which is good. But the head goes like over. Here's my angles. That looks good right there. Just a bit back. Okay. Oh, crap. It went back too much. He's too wedged in there. Hurry, dude. You don't want to waste too much time. Careful. I go right more. Dude. What? Why would you go for... I would laugh if you got that. Holy crap. 2-in-1. Holy crap. Ha. I told you I was going to laugh if I got it.
No. Give me the camera. Start laughing.
Ha.
Thank you. You make me feel better.
Nice job. I didn't think you were going to get that. It's so fluffy.
I know, that's
just
why
like you used to buy your thing.
Can't we just say that was $1 that was misplaced? Alright, fine. You owe me 79 cents.
Okay. Oh, I have one of those things. It's in one of my videos, if I ever put it up. How many tries did you put in?
Just 2.
Oh. Go this way, dude. You're not gonna get it. Just keep going. You're gonna hit the glass. Oh, that has it. That's got it. Oh, you got it. Nice, nice. Penguin by the head.
Dude, how many prizes we freaking got?
I don't know, but
Got
we got
it.
a lot. That meathead thing. Or go for the ungettable mouse. It's like a...
mouse. I'm waiting for that green thing.
Yeah, that's...
Yo.
Hey, hold this. I'm gonna actually try to shake it this way. Watch this, guys.
What are you trying to shake? An Obi ball?
Yeah.
Just pick it up. It's right on the top.
Hey, maybe I could get 2 in 1. Want to film for me?
That's what I'm doing.
Does that look good right there?
Yep.
Get a 2 in 1 with the leg. That'd be awesome. I'll get a 0 on them.
But like my crappy video, you should just see the claw.
What should I try for? I should have put $1 in here. Maybe the guy back here. This guy, maybe?
The cow?
Yeah.
Moo! You know what that means.
Perfect spin. Yes. Oh.
Wow. It's like literally standing
Like
into
balancing. Like, what is this? Gymnastics?
National Balance Day.
I'm gonna go for the yellow ball right here.
Oh wait, that one
Here,
right.
get on the other side.
I can see it. It's right there. My finger is touching it.
Think that might get it?
And it's right in the middle of the screen. Oh, you might get a 2 in 1. 2 in 1. 2 in 1.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What?
oh my gosh, by the spike.
By the
Oh, that
spike.
was so sick.
Holy
It was by
crap.
the spike.
It was like up here. How did that even... That was sick.
Dude,
that
when
was
you get
worth
the...
$1.
No, wait, give me the ball. When you get the prize all the way around it like this, it won't even grab it. But when you grab it like this, it'll get it. That's ridiculous.
That's just Sugar Loaf. Sugar Loaf is a weird name. Like, I think of a bread loaf made of sugar.
I know, right?
For little kids.
A lot of bread, a lot of sugar cubes.
Hey, should I try this one? Or should I go for the watch?
I would go for a watch.
I don't know.
You could go for the zebra.
I really want this bear. He's so cool.
Why don't you go for the
What
smaller
the-
version of it?
No.
All or nothing?
Last dollar, all or nothing. Let's see if I can get it.
Can I try and zoom in?
No, don't do it. That look good right there?
Yeah, right over the head.
Oh
Aww. Booger snitchels.
We are at Fry's for the part 2 of the Walmart claw machine, and we see some gettable stuff. So, like this, that guy, it's the same guy as Captain America. It looks gettable, and this apple looks gettable. So, yeah, we're gonna play a few times and see if we can try to look up the claw machine. Get that orange lemur. What if you get like a 2 in 1? I go up. Yeah. Twist, twist. Yes.
Oh. So maybe it'll pick it up.
Yeah. Maybe.
Just enough.
Oh, it's close. Try to get it like almost so one of the claws will shove it in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what she said, Joe. Except it was claws, so that explains a lot. Go this way, dude. Nah.
Go for its head.
Wait. Go. Are you kidding me? All right. Go in. Oh, perfect spin. He went back just a tad. Oh, man. Wait, let me try $1. Alright, I'm not gonna waste. Maybe $2 is the most. Yeah. Oh, perfect. He's not really gettable
Looks like
anymore.
he crash landed.
Yeah. I'll go for the owl maybe once.
Right above it, dude.
Wait,
Go back.
let me try.
Back.
Back?
Yeah.
Back. That good?
Yeah.
Come on, spin, baby, spin. Unless it wedged up. Oh, that's like the same exact one that you did.
Yeah.
Alright, each $2 and that's it.
Yeah, I don't
Wait, don't. Oh, perfect spin. Perfect spin. Not really. Yeah, I'm gonna go for him one more time, I guess. That looks pretty good right there. Hoping he'll dig it out. Come on, please grab him. Yes! Oh! No! No! Oh my gosh. Alright, last $1. Here it goes, guys. It's all or nothing. All or nothing right here, guys. Come on. Let's not be in a crash landing position here. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. Let's grab him. I'm not sure why I want to grab him, but... Alright, come on, baby. Come on. Grab him, please. Ah, it messed it up. Ah. Jeez. It's not gettable. Alright, last try. Here it goes. Will we be able to get Captain America? Or will we not? I'm not sure. I could be in a good position. I'm not sure. But, oh, perfect spin. I think I got him. Please grab him. What the heck? Come on. I don't know. He's stupid. What should I go for? Last try.
We were go for America.
No, he's not gettable. That was a good grip I just had him in. No, dude, stop.
Go for him.
I'm going for the owl.
Wait.
Jeez, now I have to... Why'd you press it?
Get out of here faster.
See it, I can't... Oh, maybe not. 2 in 1! 2 in 1! 2 in 1! Last try! Did I get 2 in 1? Yes!
See? Dude, I told you.
Oh my god, I'm like shaking. Last try. I've never gotten a 2 in 1 on this